Hello and welcome guys. In today's video I'll be talking about how an airplane actually lift off from the ground. In the previous video I have discussed about the airfoil terminologies. For those who haven't seen that video, I'll put the link in the description box. Now I'll be talking about how an aircraft lift off from the ground. Now, before actually talking about lift, I want to talk about one more thing, which is the angle of attack. Only if we have a firmly good idea about what angle of attack is, we can. It'll be easy for me to talk about the lift part. Now, drawing an airfoil, which is at a suitable angle. Now, we have a relative airflow. Okay, this is the airflow. Okay, now in the terminology part I have talked about what the chord line is. Chord line means it is the distance from the leading edge to the trailing edge. Okay, so the angle which is made between the chord line, this is the chord line, this is a chord line, and this is the relative airflow. The red is the relative airflow. So the angle, so this angle, I'll use another marker. So this angle is alpha, which is the angle of attack, which I'll show as AOA. So this is the angle of attack. So angle of attack means it is the angle which is made between the chord line of an aerofoil and the relative airflow. Now knowing about what angle of attack is, now let's study about how an aircraft actually lift off from the ground. So the lift of an aircraft actually is based on the Bernoulli Principle. So what Bernoulli says is that for any, suppose I draw airfoil here, okay, and we have a relative airflow. So when an aircraft races down the runway, and when the pilot applies the elevator, we obviously will have the airflow flowing on top of the aerofoil, and we will also have some air which will be flowing down also. So now what Bernoulli says is that since the upper surface of the aerofoil have got more camber, which have got more curvature, it means that the velocity on the upper side will be more. So therefore there will be lesser pressure on the top. Okay, and for the down surface, we will have a velocity, since there is no much curvature on the down part, on the downside, there the velocity of the airflow will be lesser when compared to the top, and here the pressure will be more. So since we have a pressure difference on the top and the bottom, there will be the airflow from the downside. The airflow from the downside will move to the top. So this actually pushes the wing, and this is how with the help of the wing we can create a lift. If you all have got a firmly good idea about how lift is generated on an airfoil, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.